In this video, I'll show you how to check laptop screen size. It's going to be a step-by-step tutorial, so ensure you subscribe and turn on the bell notification to this channel for lots of educational guides and contents like this. Now head over to your search bar, right click on it, come on here, type in system information, right? So yeah, this is it. I'm gonna click on it. Once it has opened up, it's gonna refresh. Right now, what you need to look at, the system manufacturer and the system model, right? So this is the system manufacturer, this is the Dell, this is the system model, this is the Latitude E7470, right? So for us to check our laptop screen size right now, what you're going to do right now, head over to your browser, right? This is our browser right now. So you're going to just type in the name of your system, right? So I think I previously typed this in. So the name of my system is Dell Latitude E7470. I'll just click on the enter, right? Once it has loaded up, you're going to see a whole lot of places you can check through everything, right? So let me see if I click on the Dell, right? So this is it. I wait for it to load up. Right now you can see everything you need to see basically, right? So you can see, let me know if you can see the size of this our system, right? So the capacity, I think this is it. This is where you can see the dimension. This is the speed. Yeah, this is basically how you can do this. Once you have typed in, or once you have searched for your system online, you're gonna basically see everything you need to see, right? So yeah, this is it. So let me see if I go back, I can still go back and check through. Let me see, I'll check on Amazon, right? I'll wait for it to load up. And this system is currently selling for I think $129, right? Yeah, so this is it. So I think, yeah, so our system is, I think 14 inch, right? 14 inch HD. Yeah, so this is our system size. So yeah, this is basically how you can check your laptop screen size here online, right? If you find this video helpful, please share it below in the comment section. Thank you guys for watching through. I really appreciate it. I'm gonna see you all in the very next one.